my name is Tanya Shri, and today I'm going to be doing an experiment from the Bing Bang Science Kit. I'm going to be doing one experiment from the 3 experiments that are included in this kit. Today I'm going to be doing the color catcher experiment. Basically, we're going to try and get the color out of this gas drink in this experiment. So, first let's see the things that we need. First, you'll need the bottle that's in the kit. Then you'll need the color catcher itself from the kit. Then you will need a gas drink. I've got Fanta here. Finally, you'll need newspaper to cover your table. So let's start our experiment. So the first step, as it says here in the instructions of the kit, is to fill your water bottle halfway with your gas drink. I'm using Fanta because I believe Fanta has more coloring than usual gas drinks, but any gas drink should be okay. Remember, halfway only. No, that's not halfway. Perfect, right? Wait. Delicious! Let's go to the next step. So, take the color catcher. Remember, there's 2 in the kit. Just take one and somehow fit it into your water bottle. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Okay, put it in and close it. Now is for the fun part. Give it a shakety shakety shake. Wow, it looks like it's working. Shake, 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 shake. Oh wait. Never mind. Let me just leave it. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Guys, look! That was funny. Look! The color of the Fanta is completely gone. Wow! Isn't that amazing? This just shows how much color there is in the Fanta. Look, it's as clear as water. Let's try it. Of course I didn't drink it. Okay, till next time.